It's been nearly 3 weeks since frontline healthcare workers in Wisconsin began receiving their first dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. That means they will very soon be due for a second dose. But as Madeline Anderson joins us live to explain, that comes as more than expected people are still waiting for their first one. Madeline?
Yeah, Ted, around 12,000 people, many of them doctors and nurses working in emergency rooms and COVID units, received their first dose of the vaccine when it arrived in the state on December 14th. Now providers will not only be giving them their second shot, efforts are underway to ramp up shots for those who still need the first one. The massive undertaking around the state to vaccinate some 400,000 healthcare workers from the coronavirus is about to become even more challenging. Those who were among the initial group to receive their shots of Pfizer's vaccine are now due for their second shot, the 2 doses to be administered 21 days apart. Froedtert and the Medical College of Wisconsin says it has already begun giving employees their second dose. This while providers are simultaneously also administering the first dose to those who still need it. The rollout moving slower than expected across the country. The CDC says more than 4 million people have been vaccinated, despite Operation Warp Speed predicting that number would be closer to 20 million by the end of 2020. In Wisconsin, 265,000 doses have been allocated to the state. Of those, 156,000 have shipped and 47,000 have gone in arms. Now the FDA is considering giving out half doses of Moderna's vaccine, which requires a second dose after 28 days, in the hopes of speeding up the rollout. UW Health will begin administering Pfizer's second dose this week, telling Fox 6 in a statement it will be doing so while, quote, adhering to guidelines set forth by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and State Department of Health Services. This is a critical step for the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines to ensure their full effectiveness. Now, the CDC says the second dose of the Pfizer vaccine can be given up to 4 days before the 21-day mark. I also reached out to state health officials about the guidance they're providing to hospitals, but have not yet heard back. Reporting live outside of Froedtert, Madeline Anderson, Fox 6 News.
The logistics of all this, a bit mind-boggling. All right, Madeline, thank you.